Machiya houses are traditional wooden townhouses that originated in Japan during the Edo period, 1603 to 1868, and can still be found in historic neighborhoods of cities such as Kyoto and Kanazawa. These homes feature narrow facades facing the street, often only a few meters wide, with an elongated shape extending deep into the building. This compact design was necessary to accommodate the dense urban landscape and limited resources available in Japan at the time. One of the most unique aspects of Machiya houses is the intricate wooden lattice work that embellishes the entrances and windows. This lattice work is known as koshi, and its design can range from simple geometric patterns to more complex artistic representations. The koshi not only adds aesthetic value to the houses, but also serves practical functions such as allowing natural light and ventilation while maintaining privacy. Inside, Machiya houses are often minimalist in design, with tatami mat floors, sliding doors, and exposed timber beams. The houses typically feature a small courtyard or garden, which is visible from the central living areas and provides natural light and ventilation. The compact interior spaces also often incorporate movable walls and partitions to create flexible multi-use areas. In recent years, many Machiya houses have been renovated and transformed into modern living spaces, restaurants, and shops while preserving their traditional architectural features. This preservation and revitalization of Machiya houses have become an important cultural movement in Japan, revitalizing historic neighborhoods and preserving the traditional Japanese way of life. Overall, Machiya houses are a unique example of Japanese architecture and design that have stood the test of time. Despite being designed for practicality and resourcefulness, they also showcase the beauty and elegance that is synonymous with Japanese culture.